Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is a Thursday and I just came back from Vegas on Sunday morning and it was a little girls trip. We just went for the weekend and guys, it was so fun. It was the best girls trip ever. Sadly, I did not take that much content with my camera, but I did get a lot of content on my phone. I'm gonna see if I got any landscape though, because I don't think I did. Now that I'm back home, I'm trying to reset. Post-vacation sadness is a thing and I need to get my life back together. So we're gonna keep each other accountable for that today. I'm going to clean my apartment, cook, prepare meals for tomorrow, and I also have a lot of videos to film too for my Instagram. So I'm just gonna show you guys my post-travel routine on how I get my life back together. I want to show you guys two face washes I've been using. So the first one is the Skin Fix Azelaic Acid BHA AHA Cleanser. This is really good for if you have acne because I have a little bit of blemishes. The second one, which is more a generic face wash, I like to use the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins. This is from Youth to the People and this is really good. It comes in this really nice glass bottle. After washing my face, I like to put on a gel, and this is the Skin Fix Adaptoid Gel. I'm gonna use some hair oil. Guys, I kid you not, this is the best espresso. Like, it's really close to Starbucks. And there's another coffee that my sister got. And this is the instant coffee by Nescafe. Like, I don't like to lie to you guys, so I want to say that this has a very dark and bitter taste that I don't like. This one was a bit of a splurge for me, but it is so good. This is my favorite coffee. My Christmas tree is still up, but guys, I'm going to put it down soon. I just haven't had the time to do it, but I need to get that done. So because I got back on Sunday, I already actually ended up unpacking everything because I'm like one of those people who can't leave the suitcase full. Like the first thing I do is unpack, so that's already been done. But I do have to reorganize my makeup and wipe the vanity and counter. This coffee is so good. So as I was making this coffee, I was actually filming on my phone. I was filming a Instagram reel, so if that part was a little bit awkward, it's because it's kind of difficult to film two different devices at the same time, especially when one is for landscape mode and the other one is for portrait mode. Now I'm going to be doing laundry. I just put away the suitcase into my closet. Guys, I have been obsessing over Jennie's new album, FTS. Love that song, it is genius. I also love Zen and just all of her slower songs like Starlight, I love it all. And I've just been listening to her, so that's my cleaning anthem right now. This is the laundry I have. It's a lot, and so we're gonna have to put that all away. I'm gonna go clean the vanity desk now. I put on a robe because it is so cold in my apartment, guys. I don't know what it is, but I think the heater is broken or something, but it's always cold in this apartment. I have some leftover pasta that I made the other day, so we're going to eat this. And then later tonight, we're going to make butter chicken, which I'm very excited for. I am in love with this pink blanket. It is from Hush. And I don't know why, but my camera is making it look so vibrant and beautiful. I am in love. These cushion covers I got from IKEA. They're so cute as well. This is from Vesta, I believe. For dinner tonight, we are making butter chicken, spicy butter chicken from Superstores. This looks really authentic and really good, so I am excited to eat this tonight. And I already made rice. Hi guys, it is now very late. It is 12:52 a.m. For the rest of the day, I just ended up doing some cleaning in the kitchen after dinner, and I showered. Now I'm going to get ready for bed. I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching all the way throughout to now, and I will see you guys in the next video.